We outside tonight, paradise detailing, got the whole city shining tonight. Paradise detailing, paint glow, exotics lined up for the show. Meet the detailers, it's a whole lifestyle. Meet the detailers. Meet the detailers. Meet the detailers.
Yo, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. We're out here in Sarasota, Florida, linking up with Nick from Paradise Auto Detailing. Let's get it, baby. Hey, yo, Nick.
Yo.
What's poppin', man?
What's going on, dude? How are you?
Glad to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah, man, I see you have your hands full.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, we're outside, right?
Hell yeah.
Everybody, this is Nick from Paradise Auto Detailing. Introduce yourself, let everybody know what's going on today.
How you doing, guys? I'm Nick, Paradise Auto Detailing, out here in Sarasota, Florida, specifically Bird Key, taking care of my clients' nice little collection and just maintaining the cars, getting them dialed in for them.
Nice little collection. This looks like, you know. Could you run us through what kind of cars are here?
So we're currently working on an MC20 Maserati,
Right.
finishing a matte paint with a metallic blue hue to it. Car's in really great shape.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
We're also working on an Aston Martin DBS GT3 Porsche. Then we got a Porsche Cayenne GT.
What type of Ferrari is this?
Ferrari, honestly, don't know my Ferraris very well, but we'll just say it's a Ferrari.
All right, Nick is going to give us a quick tour of the van. Show us what's going on, man.
All right, so I have a Mercedes Metris. I bought barely used, and I actually contacted a company called H2O in California, and I asked them, like, hey, I'm working on a detail van. They specialize in building out the van's frames, water tanks. They sell everything you possibly could need. So I contacted them. I told them what I wanted. They sent me everything on a skid. I put it in the van, built it out, you know, the way I liked it. At first I had a gas generator, then I switched to the EcoFlow.
Sweet.
Which the EcoFlow is, to me, amazing. No noise, gets the job done. You know, the only downside per se would be that you can only run one piece of equipment at a time. But to me, I'm a one-man show, so I only use one piece of equipment at a time. And then I got a 100-gallon water tank. I got the AR Blue power washer. To me, when you're doing mobile detailing, efficiency is key. I open my doors, I turn on the generator, I turn on my compressor or vacuum, whatever I'm using, and I get right to work. There's no downtime, there's no prep, there's no pulling anything out.
Right.
You know, so to me, like whenever I meet a detailer that's up and coming or wants to, you know, get stuff done in a more timely fashion, I always recommend a van. You know, trucks are awesome, cars are awesome, aero, but to me, a van just gets the job done. You could do so many more cars within a day, you know what I mean?
So you got your vacuum reel. This is your pressure washer wheel for your water, right?
Yes, sir.
Air reel, and this is what? Electric.
Electric.
Sweet. What you got in the actual inside?
In the inside, of it, I got just chemicals. I got a steamer.
Yep.
I got a pack out for all my polishing needs. My Rupus bag. You know, and then as far as chemicals, I have a mix of everything. You know, when somebody asks me, hey, what do you like the best?
Yeah.
There is no best. Every company makes their own niche of chemicals, and as a detailer, you use everything and you grow to find what you love the most. You know
so for example, for PNS, you might like a specific product, and Gion, you might like something else that they make.
Exactly.
So forth, right?
100%.
Meet the detailers. Yeah, we outside.
All right, so I typically like to start with wheels first. So then after I'm done with the wheels, all I do is the top side, paint side, rinse it down, and then when you're done rinsing it, blow it all off, and and you're ready to dry. So in terms of wheel cleaner, Nano Skin makes this organic acid cleaner, and it's just, ever since I got it, I've always been looking for a wheel cleaner, and this is just the best.
Clean car, Chris, with the camera loud. Paradise detailing, got the driveway lit tonight. Exotics lined up side to side. Paint dripping on the floor, the sky. Paradise, paradise. Everything shining in paradise.
It seems like you work on cars of this caliber like on a daily. Like this is your niche?
Honestly, I didn't plan to get into this niche, but it found my way, and I'm blessed to be able to work on usually high-end cars. You know, I mean, here and there I'll do the occasional, you know, daily Hondas, Kias, and what have yous, but
right. For the most part,
the clients with the nicer cars, you know,
right.
Thank God this business works with word of mouth, right? So you got one client with a nice car, they usually have friends with a nicer car.
Yeah, I was just about to ask you too, so like any detailers who are watching this video right now who want to step up their game and get into like high-end cars,
yeah, I mean,
any advice? But you just kind of mentioned like word of mouth goes a long way, huh?
Word of mouth is key, how you present yourself with your clients.
Right.
Once you impress them, then they'll call you back, and then they'll tell their friends, hey, I got this awesome guy that comes out to your house, takes care, you know, because a lot of people don't even know about mobile detailing.
Right.
You know, there's so many people in this world that just go to the car wash or bring it to the dealership to get washed or whatever. So
yeah, I always say too, you know, it's like kind of like when you're trying to find a detailer, it's almost like you are the product and the service, you know?
Exactly.
People want you to come because it's Nick.
Right.
Or people want me
Right.
to come because I want Chris to do it, or I want Nick to do it.
Right.
You know what
Exactly.
I mean?
Yeah. There, you know, there's times I would go away and I say, hey, you know, if you need, I could refer you a really good client. And, you know, some clients are just like, I'll wait for you. Don't
Right.
worry about it, which is awesome. You know what I mean? It makes me feel great that I'm doing a good job, and,
Right.
you know.
Hey, Nick,
Yes, sir.
since we're outside in the direct sunlight,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
hot here in Florida, I'm sure the viewers would appreciate some tips about how to go about detailing in the direct sunlight.
For sure. So
Drop some gems on them.
biggest key, spot-free water.
Aye.
So when I first started doing this in 23 mobile wise in the sun, I was using just water out of my hose, you know, going around washing cars, and I would wash the car, I would soap it, I would agitate it, and then I would rinse it off right away and dry it right away as fast as possible, because if you let regular hard water at like 300 parts per million sit on paint, especially black paint, it's gonna it's gonna just etch the paint, or just be a pain in the butt for you to clean the car down. So, so I invested in on-the-go water filtration system at my house. I fill up my 100 gallons with all spot-free, and the whole process is just it just makes it simple. Like right now, this car is drying as we speak, and I didn't even foam it yet. You know what I mean? So
yeah. So anybody who doesn't know, watching, pretty much, you can mist down the vehicle like this. This will dry in the sun, but it won't leave any mineral deposits that on the surface, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep. And it's 100% safe. So
We outside tonight. Paradise detailing. Got the whole city shining tonight. Paradise detailing. Paint glow. Exotics lined up for the show. Meet the detailers. It's a whole lifestyle. Meet the detailers. Meet the detailers. Meet the detailers.
I'm born and raised in New Jersey. Moved down here in 2016.
Nice. 10
Before
years.
the craziness happened.
I think 10 years in Florida, you're now a Floridian.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And then I started my career in detailing when I moved down here. So I've been doing this for just about 10 years now.
Okay.
as a career.
Sweet.
Always had a passion for washing cars, detailing cars.
Right.
My friends had nice cars, or their parents had nice cars, so I would go to their house, hang out, and just wash their cars, and I don't know, it was just
work on cars and have fun, kick it, hang out.
that's it.
Have fun.
Just-
Yeah. Nice.
To me, washing cars is it's not a job. It's more so like therapy. You know, get away from the real world of working and being around other people that you work with, and you just
Yeah, you're out here working solo.
work solo with cars and nobody to talk to you. You just dial in and listen to music or something, and
So it doesn't really feel like a job, does it?
exactly, you just do what you enjoy. You know what I mean?
You know, it's pretty satisfying.
Yep, exactly.
No matter if the car was clean to begin with, the car can always be that much cleaner.
Oh, 100%.
You know what I mean? And then especially when you hear from your clients how happy they are, it's like you're giving them a feeling.
Right, exactly.
So, you know, you're not only just cleaning their car. I mean, people get kind of almost a nostalgic type feeling when they get to ride around in a clean whip.
Oh yeah, I mean, nothing better than getting into your car and it's like you picked it up at the dealership.
Maserati dripping under neon lights. Palm trees moving while the baseline right. Every detail clean, every wheel polished. South Florida nights feel cinematic.
So to me, looking in, seeing the setup, seeing the location we are, it pretty much seems like maybe you based your detailing name about your lifestyle. Paradise Auto Detailing. You're out here. It's paradise over here. Everybody sees the mansions. You see that's the ocean there, obviously. It's like a
bay,
harbor
yeah.
or a bay, right?
Yep. Sarasota Bay.
Is that why you named your company Paradise?
So, yes, and so my last name is Parajadakis. So
Okay.
I kind of infused my name in a way to paradise.
Yeah.
Along with living in paradise, you know, and it's hard to come up with a company name because there's so many detail companies, mobile detailers. Everybody has the generics, you know. So I wanted something a little bit different, and that's how we got Paradise.
So Nick, I gotta ask you, how did you find out about the series Meet the Detailers, and why did you want to do it?
When did I really? I saw you on the socials somewhere. Somebody retagged you, and then I said, you know what, this
Right.
he's got something going, you know. So then I saw your first couple videos. I was like, I'd like to do that. Why not? You know, this is my first time on camera talking. You know, usually I'm just filming myself working on the car and stuff like that. So nobody's ever really heard my voice, I guess.
Yeah.
So I was like, you know what? Let's try it out and see what happens. You know,
Yeah, exactly.
there's a first for everything, I guess, right?
Yeah, man, I'm just trying to build that good vibes in the community, man. You know what I mean?
That's it.
All right, viewers, make sure you take your phones out, head to the App Store and the Google Play Store and download the Meet the Detailers app. Come join the community, join the fam, where it's all about car detail. We're nothing but good vibes, no hate. We elevate and collaborate.
That's it. All right, let's dry it down. So I'm a huge fan of blow drying the car down rather than, or using a blower to dry the car down rather than using your air hose to dry every crack and crevice. So the Ego is probably goated to me in the market of blow drying your car.
I agree. I have one too.
Yeah, it's the best. The battery lasts a long time.
Yep.
It's got super fast to dry off the wheels really quick. So let's get into it.
Clean car, Chris got the whole thing live. Luxury motion, every frame alive. Full drive wide, look like a car museum when Paradise detail it. You feel it tonight. Everything glowing tonight. Paradise detail. Yeah, the whole city outside. Meet the detailers.
All right, so
To finish up the drying, I see you using like a type of drying aid there. What you got?
I got Tech 582. Just give the rag a little bit of lubrication so it doesn't get stuck on the paint.
Right. No dry jogging.
This paint's matte, so it's easy and hard to work with at the same time. Because matte paint, you can't polish it, you can't clay bar it. You know, all you can do is wash it and dry it, basically.
So you find that the Tech 582 there adds a little bit of lubrication, a little bit of slickness.
That's it.
Nice. What kind of drying towel you got there? Because you know, not all drying towels are made the same.
It's a Max Shine drying towel. I just picked it up. I was like, let me try it out.
Oh, nice.
And it's actually pretty damn awesome.
Max Shine made some dope stuff.
Yeah, they do.
I think their wheel mitts are goated.
Oh yeah, 100%.
So what's the detailing scene like over here in Sarasota? Is it like saturated? Is there like a lot of car shows, car clubs, cars and coffee events, stuff like that?
A lot of cars and coffee events. There's probably one almost every weekend. In terms of detailers, there's a good mix of guys that have been in the game for a while, that have been doing mobile detailing for a while, and then there's also the young bloods.
Yeah.
You know, the young kids coming out of high school.
Right.
You know, they got a pickup truck or even a car, and they bring a power washer, they bring the essentials, and then they use the client's water, the client's electric, and get the job done as well. You know what I mean? So definitely a nice mix of
So from one end of the spectrum to the next, pretty much.
Exactly.
A lot of shops too. Like, do you have a lot of, say, wrap shops,
PPF
shops,
ceramic.
stuff like that? Yeah.
Yeah, there's a good amount of those too. I mean, there's still plenty of cars for everybody to, make some money, you know what I mean? So
Hey, that's the thing, man.
that's all that matters, right?
Yeah, of course. It's a common theme on the channel. I'm sure you've seen a couple of videos where we always talk about, stop looking at each other as competition, start kind of collaborating, working together more.
Exactly.
Once you start doing that, everything's going to change for the better.
Right.
Meet the detailers, built for the culture.
Nick, thanks for having me come on, man. It was a pleasure meeting you.
For sure, man.
Anybody you want to shout out real quick?
Yeah, I already shouted out Arrow and SR Detailing. I also wanted to shout out my boy Derek at Details of Lakewood Ranch, my man.
Big up Derek every time. Shout out all the social media handles.
Social media handles, you got Paradise Auto Detailing on Instagram. Paradise Auto Detailing Florida.com is my website. That's pretty much it.
You don't know, guys, Meet the Detailers. We're all the way over here in Sarasota, Florida. Remember also the Meet the Detailers app. Download it now on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. So you already know, every Wednesday at 4 p.m., hot content. Like, share, subscribe every time, guys. Meet the Detailers. We're taking this thing to another level. We out.
Let's go.
From up the rise, yeah, we flood that shine. Rims all gloss when I hit that line. Drip too clean, yeah, the squad don't miss. Pull up fresh, that's clean car Chris.